And so we're going to think about this mass save example that I've talked about before, where we're repeating this example throughout the workshop to just build upon it and illustrate all the different concepts that we've been talking about. And so this is an example of a candidate that could do balanced flowering rooms. And, you know, we don't have the data on this particular customer. And I know that this is a customer of one of the Mass Save program administrators that many of you on the call might have worked with this project. So this could be a project where you could go back to and talk about demand savings, about these even flowering rooms, and maybe being able to do some balancing. I also wanted to note, building on the conversation from last before the holiday about controls, is that this customer also has a building automation system that's controlling all the HVAC and dehumidification work, as well as the central plant. And so demand savings opportunities may be able to be identified by that BAS. Reporting may also be possible, and it could be a candidate for a demand response, or potentially even, I won't say, yeah, potentially a demand response candidate. So you can see here in your Mass Save Calcs table that these LED grow lights, like Lauren's example, have that great demand savings benefit as well. So you're all probably already familiar with this, but this is just a side benefit of the work that you're already doing with some of the more practiced measures like LED horticultural lighting, but doing more demand savings investigations for all of the different processes. You can probably collect a really good amount of demand in each project if you're bundling them.